When calculating concentration, a couple of key equations to remember is that the number of moles equals mass over molar mass, and concentration equals the number of moles divided by the volume in decimeters cubed. So if we have a look at this question, so it reads 12 grams of sodium chloride is dissolved in 5 decimeters cubed of water. Calculate the concentration. So the first thing that we need to be aware of is that it tells us in the question that we've got 12 grams of sodium chloride, and instead of us needing to work out the decimeters, it's given us the volume in decimeters. So when we're going and answering this, first thing we need to do is work out how much 1 mole of sodium chloride weighs. So that's going to be just its relative formula mass in grams, which is 58.5 grams, just there. Then work out how many moles we have. So all we're going to do is the mass of the sodium chloride divided by the mass of 1 mole, which gives us 0.12 moles. Then we know what the volume is because we've got 5 decimeters cubed from the question. So finally we can calculate the concentration by doing concentration is equal to the number of moles, which is 0.21, which has come from that step there, divided by the volume, which is 5, which has come from there, which gives us a concentration of 0.014 moles per decimeter cubed. Do not forget to put in the units because there's sometimes marks for units.